Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to unfriend someone on Facebook. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, open Facebook and tap on your friends icon. Here you can see this is your friend icon. What you need to do, you need to click on your friend icon. Here you can see, click on this friend icon. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Here you can see this is your friends icon. Click on this your friend icon. Here you can see, click on this friends icon. After that, what you need to do, here you can see option your friends. Click on this your friend button. Here you can see, now click on this your friend button. After that, here you can see your all friend here is available. What you need to do, you need to select any friend you want to unfriend. Click on these three lines and here you can see option unfriend this your friend. Here you can see unfriend. Click on this unfriend button and here click on confirm. In this way you can unfriend someone your friend on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.